So many people in the comments, they message me on TikTok saying, hey, go back to your country and work. When I explain my situations, like how I was in a Thai hospital recently crying because it was too much financially, or some other situations when I didn't have a lot of money, and people are like, go back to your country and work. Why are you backpacking? Oh, about bracelet making. A lot of Thai people commented. And I just wanted to put a reminder, maybe put someone into perspective that when I do go back home, because I left Kazakhstan so early at the age of 15, before 10th grade, I didn't take the military preparation class in 10th grade that gives you a military document afterwards, which is necessary to get any official job in Kazakhstan, meaning I can't work when I go back home. Only like side gigs, anything online, anything unofficial. And that's another reason why I'm out of the country, because if I go back home, I will have to find another way to make money or try to get that document that I was supposed to get in 10th grade. And guess what? If I do go to a military office, they'll just draft me into the army. That's how it works in Kazakhstan. They don't care. A lot of boys dying in the military. A lot of boys coming back home handicapped, legs not working because of severe beatings, severe lack of structure and professionalism from the higher ups. It's the law of nature there, really. And it's a year of life stolen from you just because you were born with a penis.